everyone, this is Christian with another video. So some of you may be wondering why the setup looks so different. Well, that's because I am officially in the UK. I'm not in London yet, I'm in Maidenhead, which is outside of London. I'm staying with relatives, but I'm about to move into my new place. But yeah, today I got just a couple off the domes today and we'll just get right into them. In 2021, I graduated high school and I did apply to acting schools, but I ended up taking a gap year. The biggest thing that I learned from taking that gap year is that we all have a time and place. Last year I applied to several schools and I just wasn't really feeling any of them, so I think I made the right call. If I would have gone to the program that I was going to, I would have spent time, money, and energy, most importantly, on, things that aren't working for me, that I don't feel as connected. Trust your instincts. You know that saying that acting coaches like saying that not only you're auditioning for the program's auditioning for you? I think it's pretty corny and cheesy, but it does hold some truth to it. If I feel it in my gut that I just don't belong there, or I'm not messing with the vibe, most of the time the feeling's gonna be right. One of the big factors of me going to LAMDA is that I really felt welcomed and I just felt really good vibes from the school when I was auditioning for them. Some of the other schools that I auditioned to, I didn't feel that vibe as much. And that's okay. Not every program is for every actor. I just think you have to trust your gut on how you feel about a program. Last but not least, off the dome, I think you have to be open. Just be open to any direction they give you. Be open about how much you like a program and how much you dislike a program. Just be open with your body, let loose, have fun, just enjoy the audition process. At the end of the day, if you don't get into a program or you decline your spot in a program, soak everything in that they teach you. I treat every college audition as like a little acting workshop. You sort of learn something from this program and something a teacher at this program told you, and you kind of just, take into consideration everything. Obviously not everything's gonna work every time, but now you have a toolkit with things you can use at certain times. I think the best way to learn is just soaking things in from all sorts of places. Yeah, that's pretty much a wrap. I hope you found this helpful in any sort of way, and yeah, have a great day.